Alright, this is gonna be an impact cam on for those two Delta elevators at the Holiday Inn in Kincardine. Stand up to 4 and listen to it. Alright. Here it goes. And listen to it. I press 4 again. So there goes that one. The other one is coming down. Going up.
250. All done? Same question?
You gonna get on?
Go ahead. Are you good? No, he's not. Let the gentleman get on, please. Sir, you should go ahead. He's doing his experiments.
I just pressed 4.
All right. I want to go drop these off, please.
What 4 did you press? 3. 3?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. It's coming down. Oh, maybe that was something too. Now that one's going up. Now I think that one's going to come. Yeah.
Wait. That's her done. That's the region.
Oh, you go ahead. We'll wait for the next one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay.
So we're all done right now?
Yeah.
No, we need to go to the coffee. Remember?
Oh, okay.
Want to stop your video?
All right. Thank
Okay.
you.